Now let's move to the new lesson that we will start with, which is the disorders of the immune system. The immune system is essential for our survival because it protects our body, okay? And we already know that. However, some situations may arise where the system does not function well, but this system in specific situations it will not work in the correct way or will not be functioning, okay? Immune system disorders may be the starting point of many diseases. أكيد we know that the immune system is protecting us from many diseases. هلا if it is not working, what will happen? So عم بيقولوا لنا هاني it will be the starting point of many diseases. Sometimes the immune system is too weak and unable to efficiently fight infections. This is the case of immunodeficiencies. يعني the first case that we will talk about هي the immunodeficiencies, which is the case where the immune system is too weak to fight the infections. يعني the disease will enter to our body, but we have nothing, or it is or the cells, the immune cells for example, are too weak to fight this infection, so or this antigen, so we will have the disease. In some people, the immune system is too aggressive and attacks harmless elements of the environment. This is the case of allergies. أو بيكون too much aggressive، يعني بيكون زيادة عن زوم strong هيدا immune system that will that will cause attraction of harmless elements. يعني anything that will enters our body will cause an immune response, okay? So هاي كمان disorder. This is wrong, okay? So what is the immunodeficiency and what is the allergy? Today we'll talk about the immunodeficiency, okay? Deficiencies of the immune system. Some deficiencies of the immune system are congenital. يعني congenital يعني by genes. يعني the baby will be born by this problem, okay? يعني بيصير في مشكلة بالgenes or from أو this will be from parents, okay? يعني بيكون وراثي, okay? So this will cause an immunodeficiency for babies. Their signs appear shortly after birth. Others are acquired, such as the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome اللي هو الAIDS. Okay, so لكن عنا نحن two type of deficiencies. The first one is the one that babies are born with, اللي هو the congenital one, أو the second will be acquired يعني بيكتسب during life مثل الAIDS. Okay, let's see the immunodeficient babies. هلا deficiency before starting, deficiency means lack يعني without the immune system, lack of immune system, okay? So في عنا babies that are born with no immune system. So some children have congenital immunodeficiencies and contract serious and repeated infections. يعني of course they will have these infections لأنه they has no immune system. No immune system. Okay, so if there is no immune system, يعني no immune response. in case we have any antigen. Okay. طيب ساعتها إذا there is no any immune response if an antigen that causes a disease will kill this antigen, so the antigen will enters to the body and causes diseases and will cause sickness of these babies. So to avoid infections, they are placed immediately after birth in a sterile cabinet while waiting for a bone marrow graft that would sometimes save their lives. اوكي سو هيك بتجي كابينت، بتجي كلياتها ستيرايل يعني معقمة. اوكي بحطوا فيها هيدا البيبي can't respire حتى أو breathe from the normal air because it may have antigens. Okay, so because of that they are placed in these cabinets until they can transplant a bone marrow، لأنه أوقات بيكون المشكلة بس بالبون مارو. so إذا عطون بون مارو لهول للبيبيز، so these babies will start to produce the cells of the immune system, and then they will have an immunity against the antigens. Okay, so this is the first case of the immunodeficiency اللي هي بتكون congenital, so it is found in babies. Now we will move to the second type of the immunodeficiencies, which is the acquired one. يعني هذا that is that the person will have during his life. Okay, it is not congenital. Okay, so the AIDS is the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. هيدا اختصاره. Okay, AIDS. In 1981, a few cases of a yet unknown disease were reported. Previously بيكونوا healthy patients. بعدين they can die from opportunistic infections by normally benign microbes. بعدين بيموتوا بطريق صدفي عن بإنفكشن بسيطة، يعني أني هيك benign microbes، يعني منا fatal. Okay, following يعني من بعد degeneration of their immune system، فجأة بيصير immune system degenerated، يعني بطل يشتغل. Then if they don't have an immune system, then they can die from an infection by a benign microbe. Okay, this disease was called acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS. In 1983, it was established that AIDS was due to a virus called the human immunodeficiency virus أو اللي اسمه HIV. Rapidly, AIDS became a world calamity, killing hundreds, thousands, and then millions of people every day. يعني أول شيء قلنا هو acquired يعني is caused by something. هلا هون عم بيقولوا لنا انه it is caused by a virus اسمه HIV اللي هو human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, so this will cause the AIDS. Okay, طيب the AIDS is a disease that is acquired. شو بيصير فيه؟ the immune system will start to be degenerated، يعني راح يبلش it will not be functioning normally. بيصير كأنه the AIDS patient has no immune system, so this person can die from any infection. يعني حتى لو كان فلو فلو فيروس، so اللي هو الجريب اللي دايما we are infected with. Okay, so they can die from such a virus. Okay, so and this disease can cause the death of hundreds to millions of people every year. Okay, so this is the two types of immunodeficiencies. The first one is the congenital, يعني from birth. Okay, and these can be treated sometimes by bone marrow transplantation, and the other one is acquired, so and it is caused by an HIV virus. Okay, this is our lesson for today.